Good morning, everyone. As you saw from my last video, we harvested quite a bit of our green beans yesterday, and now we are going to show you how to make some southern style green beans fresh. I am canning some now, but we also want some for dinner tonight. So here's what we're doing. You want to take your green beans and you want to snap off the ends. This is what it means by snapping green beans. Before we get started on making our homemade southern style green beans, I want to show you that I canned some this morning. I just took them out of the canner and you can see they are looking beautiful and delicious. Go back and check out my video where I canned some green beans a couple of years ago, and we got about 40 pints out of our bushes. So excited about this. Delicious, fresh. We've washed our green beans before we snapped them, but now we're going to go ahead and give them another soak right before we start cooking. To get started, I have about a cup and 3/4 of a chopped white onion, and then I have 4 slices of bacon, thick sliced, cut into 3 or 4 pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to saute our bacon first in the pan. We have the heat cooked up, or we have the heat cranked up. And first we're going to fry the bacon, and we're going to get our bacon, and then we're going to saute our onions and just 1 clove of chopped fresh garlic. Okay, the bacon's about sauteed up. Now I'm going to add my onions and garlic. And we're going to saute this together. And we want to keep the bacon grease in there because that is our flavor. Whew, that already smells so good, y'all. So we're going to let this saute up a little bit, and then we're going to add our green beans and some water, and we're going to let them simmer. We have our onions and our garlic sauteed in our bacon grease along with our bacon chunks. And now I'm going to start adding a little bit of water. Guys, this smells so delicious. So I've just added about 4 cups of water, and now I'm going to add my freshly washed, fresh green beans. They are looking fantastic, guys. These are as clean as they come. Clean eating is the best. So let's stir this a bit. Let this get some of the bacon juices and some of the onion and the garlic. Let it cook a little bit. I'm going to add some salt and pepper here. You do that to taste. You can also do the onions to taste. It's up to you. If you don't like onions, you don't have to add them. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to add them. I'm going to kick up my heat a little bit. And I'm going to add some more water. You want enough water to cover the green beans because they're going to simmer for a while. Okay. Look at that. You can see the bacon grease in there, and you can see the onions, how they're clear and sauteed. Now let's add a little bit of salt and pepper. And whenever you go to eat them, you can salt and pepper to taste as well, but you do need to add some for seasoning while they're cooking. We're getting them up to a boil, and you can see they're turning that beautiful bright green color. A lot of people steam their green beans, and they're very good too, and this is the color that they turn out to be, but we're going to go ahead and cook ours until they are tender and saturated with our saute of bacon, onions, and garlic, and they're going to be very delicious. So kick them up on high or medium high and let them get to a boil, and then you're going to turn them down and let them simmer for a couple hours. We are finishing up here, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. It is a great southern green bean recipe. If you like what you see, we ask that you subscribe to the channel and click that like button. We got lots more things coming up. Be sure and check out our gardening videos. Take care, God bless, and have a wonderful weekend.